Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, Kobe here, and today we're moving on with the studio build out. I'm gonna assemble the chair and the desk, and I hope it's gonna be easier than this show. I didn't want to clean up because I still got some unboxing, so later. Screws, legs, and that's heavy. Instructions. These things going under the legs. That's complete. Chair. Don't use blades to open. What should I use then? My finger. There's a seat, propeller, wheels. I have no idea what this is. Hydraulics. The back of the chair. Step 1, I need the wheels. And that. Step 2, I need a seat. I got 3 different sets of screws I need right now. JJ. Get over here. Next step. This one. Next step. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a quick one. Stay tuned for the next episode because I'm gonna put some posters on the wall and decorate this room a little bit. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming Optimal Review.